Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this super cute Chick 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 card with the Easter Friends stamp set. All right, here is my Chick 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 card. I'm calling it using the Easter Friends stamp set. It's got this adorable little chick and a duck and a bunny, some grass and these cute little sayings. So I wanted to use some really soft colors. So I chose Pale Papaya. This is from the Hand Pen Designer Series paper that is retiring, so make sure you get it before it's gone, because once they sell out, that will be it. So I'm just going to put this on some thick basic white, and then I have 3 little chicks, and I've stamped them and cut them out. So I stamped them in Bumblebee, and then I'm going to color them with Daffodil Delight and dark Pale Papaya. Actually, this is So Saffron. Forgot I'm gonna use So Saffron. So I'm just gonna do all the little dark parts right there. And then I'm just gonna color it in with the light. This is really easy peasy. And then you can go back and you can add more dark, which I like to do for some contrast. So just kind of around the edges. And this is super easy because you can just do it right around where the shading is. I'm gonna go back over these and add some to these as well. Cute little chickies. And then I did the beak and the feet in Pale Papaya. So I just did that, and I did the feet. And then I used one of the crumb cake markers to color his little eyes. I just wanted it to be not black, not like a dark color. I didn't want evil chickies. Okay, so there's our 3 little chickies. And then I wanted to stamp some grass for them to hop in. And so I used the Wildflower Path stamp set that's in the January-June catalog, mini catalog. And I really like this long grass right here. So I'm gonna stamp some long grass in Pear Pizzazz. And I'm gonna use a little scrap paper. I might go overboard a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp and then move it over half and stamp again. So I get this layered look of grass. We'll do one more over here. And we'll do one more back there. And so we've got this nice grass right here. And then we are just going to layer that on some Pale Papaya. And I've already stamped the sentiment on one of the tailored tags. Those are still saying. Those are not retiring, they are staying. Gonna line that up. This is 5 1/4 by 2 inches tall, and then the white is 5 1/4 by 1 7/8, and it's just like tiny, barely, like not even. So let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it. Well, maybe it's just a tiny bit of trim. There we go. So we've got our grass for our little chickies, and then we just put all our little chickies on dimensionals, and we add some of the Pale Papaya ribbon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off about this much, and then I'm going to poke this side through. Nice big hole for that. And then I'm just going to put the ends through this loop right here. And you can tie that and just be careful so that you're not gonna pull the piece out, because I've done that before where I've used the ribbon and it just pulled the tag apart. So grab some dimensionals here, one for each little chick. Come on. And then we'll do a couple for the tag. Whoop. And we'll just add our little chickies to the card. Chick. Chick. Oh, that chick's really leaning. And chick. And then we'll add our little tag. I'm gonna pull it a little bit tighter so it doesn't come off, and I'm just gonna stick that under there. Sending warm and happy wishes this spring. I think I'm gonna move it over here a little bit. And there we go. There's our first card using the Easter Friends stamp set. So I'm offering a free class with this stamp set when you place a $40 order using my current host code. And we've got a chick card and a bunny card and a cute little duck card. So just email me and let me know once you place your order that you would like this Easter Friends card kit. Thanks so much for watching this video on these fun Easter Friends cards. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or when I post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.